remove the little blue box, that receptacle box from there, and I'm going to put 2 on this wall. You can see here I've drilled a hole for cutting there and down there, because one of the platform's going to go here and another one over here, so the nutrient tank's going to be about right here, and I need a plug to put it here. You can see I've taken a box and just made an outline around the box where I'm going to take a saw and cut this out. And then I'm going to have on this wall a seed starting area rack, and I need a cutout for that as well. So I got 2 outlets on this wall, lower and higher right here. Okay, I set the boxes and I run the wire, and I put one of the boards up against it like this, so I can make sure that the cover will lay flat once the boards are placed on it. So I ran it in and up over, and it's going to go to the 2 plugs over there. The wire's just sitting out right now, but these plugs, the boxes for the outlets rather, they're not going to rest on the wood. They're going to be too far inset, so I have to go a little bit different avenue. So as you can see here, the nails won't let it go in and make it flush here. I put this board up so I know how flush it needs to be, or how far in this box needs to go. Yeah, this way. So I'm going to take these nails out. So what I've done to make them level is I drilled a hole back here, and I tapped out the little wire entry area, and I screwed it into the studs back there. That way it gives the bigger area here for the wood to go up next to. And this is my house wiring. I'm going to put a new 20 amp breaker in. I'll run the wire in PVC and come up underneath the window over there. And I'll make a completely separate circuit for the heated greenhouse in here. And I've taken Fawn 2 out, and she's sitting out here, and we're going to clean her up, see how she fits in the heated greenhouse, her new home, and give her a paint job. Yeah, she's in here rough just to see how much space she'll take up. Probably going to do a couple little modifications. I'm going to put another one of these platforms on this side, just like you see in the greenhouse. And on this side, just from here to here, I'm just going to make that a shelf. So we won't be growing a 3rd set of buckets, I doubt, in there. But it can be done later if I want to add it. So this is just a rough, and you can see she's pretty dang level. Not absolutely perfect, but pretty darn close. And this one is the circuit. It's a 20 amp circuit. It's in PVC and glued. I take it inside. You can see it's got power from the outside light. It's coming down there. Then it wires up and over to the 2 plugs. Into the 2 plugs I just pointed at there. Comes back over and around to these 2. And I tested every outlet. And they're all good. Two fawn platforms that are going in there are painted and ready. Alright, this is what it looks like now. This is on the 27th of December. You can see here I've started putting in the sides, even cut out the portion for the box there. And I started putting them up the sides here, and I need to finish that up all the way here and all the way up here, and leave enough area to create the door where the door can hit it flush and seal it up pretty tight. So that's what's coming up next. Alright guys, here it is. I've got the wood, the old decking wood, all the way up to the ceiling there, and it's also on the floor. Now this will conclude this particular video, and we've still got some work to do. We got to put some caulking in. We've got to cover the window for now until it starts getting hot. Then we'll get the air conditioner for that time frame. We've got to move the fawn platforms in here. We've got to put the laminate down, but we can't do that until we get through painting. So we got to do the caulking, the painting, a lot of other stuff. Anyway, this is the end of this one. This is Brent, you guys. We will see you later.